না
हेड सर्कमफेरेंस has increased.
রাইট
Head circumference below normal. Head circumference has increased. But that was 48 centimeter. Now it is 49 centimeter.
ভুল মাফ করে দিন
সমৃদ্ধ করছি নাকি
সেটি কস্ট অফ দ্য ট্রিটমেন্ট
Cost of the treatment it is manufactured by Lippi, and Ranbaxy. For Catrice rate will be around 5,000 some watts.
18,000 per month.
18,000
per month.
18,000 per month.
Not much.
It is not much.
It is not much considering Macy's stature. It is not.
You are not applying it for Messi.
5% it will not be completed.
No.
Because I have got so many good reputation from my colleagues and from my seniors. So we know that for the short stature, this growth hormone is well accepted, and it was started around 1950s. Most of them responded, but for postgraduates, there are few reported cases of these children who are having this dementia after taking the growth hormone. There was some cases there was pyramidal symptoms, some was having extrapyramidal symptoms, and after around 7 to 10 years of follow-up, this type of patients died, and they did the EEG. The EEG shows the high voltage and the slow waves, and MRI shows if at present this would be, at that time MRI was not there, MRI could show the high intense signal in the caudate nucleus and putamen, and CSF will show the protein which is latest at present 14C3, and autopsy shows it is a spongy form. What is the diagnosis?
Brand's disease.
And
Brand's disease.
who has told?
Brand's disease.
Good, very good. So, it was a case of Brand's disease. But what is the relation between the growth hormone and Brand's disease? Can anybody say? From the postgraduates. Brand's disease, it is a contagious disease. It is an infective disease caused by the protein molecule. But why these children affected by Brand's disease? That is called Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. Why? The answer is very simple. Because at that time, growth hormone was taken from the cadaver. So those who are cannibalism, they will be affected by Brand's disease. So at present, this cadaveric growth hormone is obsolete. So at present, what we are getting, it is at present it is a recombinant growth hormone. Previously, we used to take the insulin from the this spot insulin or PIP insulin. There is also chance of this Brand's disease, but at present everything is recombinant. So that's why Brand's disease is more or less out. So that is the story of how the recombinant growth hormone has come. Second important regarding the growth hormone,